Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. So first I'm starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And just like everybody else, I start in the center of my brow, kind of filling in all those sparse hairs first before I actually start defining and shaping my brows, because filling in the sparse hairs first will definitely help me kind of get an idea of the shape of my brows. So I'm just lightly going to brush through my brows and then fill them in. And then after I'm done with the center, I go towards the front, but the bottom portion of it, and brush back. I don't brush my hairs up, I brush them back. I don't have a specific reason why I like to do this. This is just the way that I decide to do my brows. Then I brush down, brush all those long hairs down so I can get to the shape of my brows the way that I want them to be, cleaning up anything that is a little bit messy with my finger. Then I'm going towards the top center of my brow, filling in again all of those sparse hairs. Then I'm going to be going towards the front of the brow, and that is when I brush up. So I will be flicking the front hairs up, and I lightly do that with my brow definer and brush it out so that way everything blends together and nothing looks too harsh. I know it looks pretty harsh right now, but I promise you, once you start blending it and brushing it together with the spoolie, the more you do it, the more it blends together and the more that it looks like your natural hairs. So once both brows are complete, I take a little bit of concealer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I put a little bit on the back of my hands. Then I take this brush, it's a flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and there's Noelle. I'm not sure what the name of the brush is, but just any flat brush would be good to blend and conceal the bottom of the brows. Obviously, everybody knows adding concealer makes the brows look cleaner and sharper and more defined. So I like to start from the bottom, and I don't know why I hold the front of my brow forward. It just helps me distribute the concealer a little bit more neat and cleaner. I do the top of my brows. I start again from the center and make my way out. I like a little bit more of an arch on my brows, so I'll take some of that concealer and arch it out from the top and the bottom. And then I just use my finger to blend everything out. So once both brows are done and concealed, I just blend everything out with my fingers and touch anything up that feels like it needs to be touched up. Then lastly, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is a staple, and again, it's just to keep everything in place. And again, I brush towards the back of my brows. I don't brush up. I like the fluffy brow look. It's just not for me. So I blend back because my eyebrow hairs are a little bit longer, and that keeps everything in place. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that I do for my brows. It's really simple. It's a super easy 5-minute eyebrow tutorial. Nothing too difficult. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram to see more videos. Thanks, guys.